Start planting.
Right there.
And what does it look like? It looks like a boat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like a boat. Look at the shape. It's shaped like a boat, it rolled like a boat. So guys, we're going to bring in you a curried chickpea plantain boat.
How's it going?
How's it going, people? We're back again with another video. We missed you guys, man.
We do, man. We've got a really special recipe for you guys, as always, but this is extra special,
trust me. And the night in, we're having a lot of nights in now, so
it's true.
this is the perfect time. Little tip for the man them, yeah? If you make this boat, that guy them will be jumping in it.
Trust me.
Trust me.
So quick to make, it's like 30 minutes.
Easy.
Easy. You can put it in the oven. We actually put it in the oven for this recipe, but you can easily fry it if you want. We're trying to be a bit more health conscious in it.
Yeah, trust me. Topped off with a delicious, sweet, spicy,
creamy
chickpea curry, guys.
Yes.
Right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you have a great time.
Yes.
You know, whatever you're doing, stay safe.
That's right.
And stay loved up, man.
Also, guys, subscribe to our channel, like and share, and tell a friend.
Yeah, man. I want to see 3,000 likes on this video, guys.
Man.
Yeah. And let us know what recipe you want to see next.
Big up, man.
Take care. 1.